Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info. Today I have ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro and I want to show you how to add remove magnification on this device. To do that, we must go to the settings application where we look for accessibility selection. In it we scroll down to our magnification right there, which is off. To turn on it we press there, and now we must switch on our magnification, confirm I got it, and we have our magnification icon, which position we can easily change by tap and switch on the screen. To zoom our screen we press on it and tap on our screen. We can change position of our zoom using two finger. We switch on our screen, swipe on our screen, sorry. To turn off it we press again on our magnification, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.